Hiring abroad usually comes with a hidden burden, the expectation that you'll become an overnight expert in local labor laws. Often you'd spend months setting up a local entity or use a provider reliant on fragmented third-party vendors, leading to delays and compliance gaps. At Deel, we've mastered the global compliance so you can bypass that complexity. As an employer of record, we become the legal employer on your behalf, allowing you to hire internationally without needing to set up a local entity. Because we own our entities across 130 countries, we guarantee the fastest time to hire and onboard. Unlike providers who rely on third-party handoffs, our direct ownership means your new talent can start in minutes, not months. Whether you're hiring a remote developer in Spain or a technical field team in South Africa, the platform handles the contracts, payroll, and the compliance for you. You don't need to be a global labor expert. You just need a partner, that is. Whether you're onboarding one person, a team, or migrating a workforce from another provider, the experience is seamless. The platform supports any worker arrangement, whether the hire is remote, on-site, or deployed at a higher risk rotational site, dynamically adjusting the contract to cover local liabilities. As soon as you select a country, the platform surfaces local insights, statutory minimums, and the competitive market benefits, so your offer is compliant and fair. PTO, sick leave, and notice periods are baked in automatically. You can customize pay, from commissions to joining bonuses, directly in the workflow. If you need specific contract terms, our built-in redlining lets you manage edits and version control securely. No more messy email attachments. Once ready, generate a branded customizable offer letter in one click. To eliminate the black box of onboarding, our tracker provides complete visibility. It shows the real-time status of every employee and flags gaps to get your team working quickly and compliantly. Deel handles the heavy lifting of taxes, filings, and processing. You just need to approve expenses, add bonuses, and bulk pay your entire global team in a single click. And for those last-minute changes, unlike other platforms, our 20th of the month cutoff gives your finance team more breathing room, while off-cycle payroll is also available. Because we manage the entire life cycle, you can use a breadth of data to generate powerful insights. Build custom reports from hundreds of data points or use a pre-built template for real-time deep dive into spend and headcount. For locally specific queries, Deel's AI is the direct interface to our infrastructure. It scans thousands of verified regulations and in-house knowledge to give you the context you need, taking you straight to the answer. Finally, if an employee's journey with your company is coming to a close, we recognize that offboarding is a sensitive issue to navigate. Our offboarding assistant tool helps you understand local rules, calculate notice periods, severance, and PTO accruals. No legal guesswork, just the process and costs verified by our deep expertise and hands-on support. Whether you're onboarding your first hire or setting up a team in a new market, Deel is your trusted partner for global workforce enablement.